Hey, what's going on YouTube? So I made this pipe for the Predator. I cut off the stock flange off the stock exhaust, and then I know the welds ain't too good. I used the pit bike pipe that I had laying around. I bent it where I wanted it to go, and then now I'm just cleaning up the edges. I'm gonna be putting on this muffler right here. It's a little, I'm gonna put this one on. So I'm just gonna weld this to here, just clean it up real quick, give it a quick weld, and then we'll get a exhaust for the little mini bike. For the little 200cc mini bike, we'll have an exhaust for it. So let me set you guys up, and then we'll get started.
weld it up now. I mean, I know it's not perfect, but it'll get the job done.
Okay, so the finished product of the exhaust is done. Like I said, I took this piece off the stock muffler, and then I used a pipe. I used the pipe from a pit bike and just welded that up. Has the bend in it already, and then I put that muffler on it. And then this is gonna go, taking off that stock one. And so it's gonna sit in there and shoot off the other side. So let me show you guys how this is gonna go. I could have bought a pipe, but I just figured this one, I'll just make it. I had the stuff laying around. So to take this off is a 1/2 inch. Take these off. Okay. And just like that, the muffler comes off. Okay, try to keep the gasket. Put that back on. Then our muffler we made, it's gonna go like this. It goes in there, and it goes like that. So, put these nuts back on. Tighten everything back up. Okay, this exhaust is going to help it free up some power as well as make it louder. Okay. Sure, these are nice and tight. Okay, so this is how the exhaust goes. I made this like this, so I already had did it. It's gonna go down, and it just shoots out to the side like this. Obviously, it don't hit nothing. It don't touch nothing. So we'll fire it up with it on. Get this plastic out of the way. And this exhaust virtually cost us no money. It literally cost $10 for the pipe. I mean for the muffler, and the rest I already had. So that's how she sounds. So what's burning off is just that heat paint right now. I made this to clear a stock airbox. See, it has tons of room. I'm not gonna be running a stock airbox, but I just did it just in case I did want to leave a stock airbox on, or for another bike I ended up doing. yeah, so it's very simple to do. I mean, it looks pretty cool too, and I kind of like the way it just dumps out the bottom. Sounds good too, not too loud. And yeah, hope you guys like that new exhaust I just put on. Looks cool too. There you go. A lot less restrictive than this. I mean, this thing right here, you ain't getting no flow out of this. So the same thing with this one, what I'll end up doing, just cut here, just like I did to that one. Cut here, and I can use it for another one. Alright guys, thanks for watching.